Good morning. You are listening Shalini Singh, your news anchor from Laofara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 29th June from around the world. Corona update. With 19,906 new cases, highest single day spike so far. India's COVID-19 count touched 5,28,859, including 2,03,051 active cases, 3,09,713 cured, discharged, migrated, and 410 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. And the cumulative toll reached 16,095 deaths. Asked by Trump to decouple, US companies want more China faster. Just as the US president urged American companies to ditch China, many of them can't get more of China fast enough. Consider the voyage of the container ship Melina, which set sail Wednesday from a Chinese port near Shenzhen with products bound for US household. A hulking symbol of how the flow of goods is adapting in the global economy crippled by a pandemic. Tamil Nadu custodial deaths. Case will be handed over to CBI, CM says. The Tamil Nadu government has decided to hand over the investigation into the custodial deaths of a father-son duo at Sathankulam to the CBI, said Chief Minister on Sunday. China sent martial artists to India border before deadly clash, according to state media. China reinforced its troops near the Indian border with mountain climbers and martial art fighters shortly before a deadly clash this month, state media reported. Tensions are common between the two nuclear-armed neighbors in the mountains border terrain, but this month's fighting was their deadliest encounter in over 50 years. Decision to be taken whether lockdown should be reimposed in GHMC limits, according to Telangana CM. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao had said that a decision will be taken in the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation limits for a few days. He has decided to finalize the strategy to contain the spread of coronavirus in the GHMC jurisdiction in the next 3 to 4 days. India unlocking key sectors that remained in lockdown for decades, according to PM Modi in Mann Ki Baat. In the 66th edition of his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said that at time the country is gradually unlocking the lockdown imposed to check the spread of coronavirus. India has also started unlocking various sectors like space, coal and agriculture. These reforms will spur growth in the country, he said, pointing at several reforms recently kicked off by his government. The PM says, amid the time of unlocking lockdown, India is also unlocking various sectors which had remained cleaned for decades. For several years, India was in the lockdown in the coal sector. The clearance for commercial action has changed the situation drastically. Rahul including indulging in shallow-minded politics, ready for robust debate in Parliament on China, said Amit Shah. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has accused Congress leader Rahul Gandhi of doing Uchi Rajniti and making remarks liked by China and Pakistan during border tension with China, and arrested that the government was prepared for a debate in Parliament in which 1962 से आज तक डू 1962 से आज तक दो दो हाथ हो जाए। In an interview with ANI, Home Minister Amit Shah said Rahul Gandhi should introspect that his hashtag of Surrender Modi is being encouraged by Pakistan and China. I, Shalini Singh, will come with you tomorrow with latest updated news. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.